TikTok Live 5 features new users always set up wrong. So, ignoring data server defaults. The problem, high quality streams consume 3 to 5 times more data per video. The fix, go to settings, data server, and toggle it on immediately after install. The benefits, smoother buffer free playback on slower or metered connection. So missing the rewards program, TikTok Lite regional reward program is one-time onboarding opportunities. Skip it. You may never get another chance to activate. Activate early. Enable rewards during initial setup, not days after. Daily check-in. Turn on activity tracking to earn points just for watching. Check eligibility. Availability varies by region. Verify your local status immediately. Treat it like the standard app. So what users expect? Many new users search for creative, live, or editing tools feature that simply don't exist in TikTok Lite. So how on TikTok Lite is a view-only experience. Filming and uploading are not supported. How to use it right? Lean into the For You page algorithm. It's the app's core strength. Use search and discover to find niche content communities. Save and share videos. Curation is your primary interaction. So disabling smart notification, open notification, choose selectives and prioritize likes. Keep on likes, comments, and new followers. Turn off promotional alerts, trading reminders, and app suggestions. Pro tip, save this guide and audit your settings every 30 days to keep TikTok Lite optimized for your connectivity needs. So there you guys, hope you said you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, concerns, sabi daw ako siya balik guys. Sabi tayo as soon as possible, and thank you guys.